A big hello to my YouTube family. Welcome to Diva Classes. This is Divya Vadwani, your English teacher. Today we'll be studying Transformation of Sentences Part 2, जिसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे previous year papers from 2014 to 17. Okay, we already did from 18 to 24. Now we'll start from the year 2017 for class 12 ISC. The first one says that not only did he buy a desktop but also a laptop. So besides buying a डेस्कटॉप, ठीक है, ही ऑल्सो, या ऑल्सो अगर नहीं भी लिखोगे देन ऑल्सो इट विल गो बिकॉज ऑल्सो इज़ नॉट यूजुअली डन, बट इनकी जो आंसर की है उसमें वो ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है. तो ही बॉट अ लैपटॉप. Okay, full stop. Then second one, the heavy showers of rain revived the plants. Now this is active passive. So revived the plants were revived by the heavy showers of rain. Showers of rain. ठीक है. Then the men were forced to work although the light was poor. In spite of the light being poor. Of the light be poor. In spite of the light being poor. या इसको एक और तरीके से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं जैसा इन्होंने अपने आंसर कीज में दिया है. That is, in spite of the fact that the light was poor, the men, now comma will be used here, and then the men, puri line as it is, it will be used. The men were forced to work. Okay, the next one. No sooner did we see a flash of light in the sky than we heard a loud explosion near us. Now no sooner के साथ than is used, so it will be written as soon as we saw. Now did means obviously past tense, ठीक है. तो as soon as we saw a flash of light. अच्छा, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस आर नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट, इट्स जस्ट कि थोड़ा बहुत हेर फेर ओनली यू हैव टू डू हेयर. अदरवाइज तो पूरे स्टेटमेंट जो है वो एकदम एज इट इज सेम होते हैं. तो एज सुन एज वी सॉ फ्लैश ऑफ लाइट इन द स्काई कॉमा, ठीक है, वी हर्ड अ लाउड एक्सप्लोजन नियर अस. Then moving towards next one. As she has not brought a pen, she is writing with pencil. Not only not having brought. Okay, मतलब वो reason यहाँ पे दिया जा रहा है that not having brought a pen, क्योंकि वो पेन नहीं लेकर के आई है, comma she is writing with a pencil as it is given, same we have to do. Then next one, Mumbai is the most vibrant city in India. So most, it will be written as no other city in India is as vibrant as Mumbai. ठीक, तो दिस सुपरलेटिव विल चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव फॉर्म, दैट इज ओनली वाइब्रेंट. देयर डॉग इज टू फ्रेंडली टू बी एन इफेक्टिव गार्ड डॉग. देयर डॉग इज सो फ्रेंडली, सो दैट विल बी यूज्ड हियर. सो फ्रेंडली दैट इट भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ही भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो एनी ऑफ इट. इट यूजुअली एनिमल्स के लिए यूज़ होता है, और अगर कोई नोन एनिमल है जिसके बारे में हम स्पेसिफिकली बात कर रहे हैं, सम पेट और समथिंग, तो उसके लिए हम लोग ही यूज़ करते हैं. तो बोथ आर करेक्ट. देयर डॉग इज सो फ्रेंडली दैट इट कैन नॉट बी. प्रेजेंट टेंस विल बी यूज क्योंकि प्रेजेंट टेंस में सेंटेंस है, ठीक है. दैट इट कैन नॉट बी एन effective guard dog. ठीक है, cannot be. हाँ. Then Sameer said, Ramesh, can you help me with my homework? Sameer asked Ramesh, or Sameer inquired of Ramesh if he can, if or whether anything can be used, if he could. Past tense. Okay, can will change into could. और यहाँ पर हम लोग इफ़ क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज देर आर येस नो क्वेश्चंस. येस नो क्वेश्चंस कौन से होते हैं, जिनके जवाब में या तो आप हाँ बोलोगे या तो ना बोलोगे. अब समीर ने पूछा रमेश से कि क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे, तो वो हाँ बोलेगा या ना. तो इन सच केसेस वी यूज़ इफ़, काइंड ऑफ इफ़, या वेदर वी यूज़ समीर आस्क्ड रमेश इफ़ ही कुड हेल्प him with my homework will change into his homework. Okay, then all nooks and corners were checked. No nook or corner was left unchecked. Wait, let me check whether it is was. हाँ, because यहाँ पर that singular form of noun is being used. How long I shall stay is doubtful. The length, noun form, the length of my stay is doubtful. Okay, moving towards the next one, that is 2016. One example is given. No sooner had the match finished than it began to rain. Hardly had the match finished when it began to rain. Then अच्छा ये देखो, दिस यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पर ये जो है ये परफेक्ट फॉर्म में, परफेक्ट टेंसेस में, तो यहाँ पर ऑल्सो द परफेक्ट टेंस विल बी यूज्ड. Okay, then the first question, if he does not run fast he will lose marks. Now already told कि unless जो होता है वो negative form of word होता है, तो इसीलिए unless, if he does not run fast, unless he runs fast, एक मिनट, unless he runs fast, हाँ ठीक है, comma, he will lose the race. The next one, nobody knew much about his plans for the future. Little did anybody know. Did, does, do के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होता है, तो little did anybody know about his plans for the future. Then on seeing the rat she shrieked. As soon as she saw the rat, comma, she shrieked. ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग विद द आंसर कीज जो उसमें दी हुई हैं. And you'll find these papers in Telegram file section में. All these papers have already been sent earlier, so if you want it you can check it there also. I have just compiled the transformation part together. You must never tell a lie. Under no circumstances must you, comma will not be used. Under no circumstances must you tell a lie. Okay, कुछ sentences थोड़े से इधर उधर हैं. The boss said, what an extraordinary success. The boss exclaimed that it was. अभी हुर्रे लगा देते हैं यहाँ पर, तो exclaimed with joy हो जाता. The boss exclaimed that it was an extraordinary success. ठीक है, exclamatory sentences से you are changing it into assertive sentences. It was an extraordinary success, या फिर the success was extraordinary. both things can be used. Then it is too cold for me to step out without a shawl. It is so cold that I cannot. Could not will not be used क्योंकि यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज हो रहा है. ठीक है. इट इज सो कोल्ड दैट आई कैन नॉट स्टेप आउट विदाउट a shawl. Then next one, I play both tennis and squash. So it will be written as not only do I play tennis but also squash. Now not only and but also is used together. ठीक है. तो दिस यू नीड टू रिमेंबर कि ऑल्सो लगता है कहाँ पर, वो नॉट ओनली के साथ लगता है. द स्कूल टीम लॉस्ट द क्रिकेट मैच ऑल्दो द कैप्टन स्कोर्ड अ सेंचुरी. डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दैट द कैप्टन स्कोर्ड अ सेंचुरी. डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दैट द कैप्टन scored a century, comma, the school team lost the cricket match. तो ये इसका सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या होता है कि कैप्टन ने सेंचुरी स्कोर की, उसके बावजूद भी स्कूल टीम जो है वो क्रिकेट मैच हार गई. चार्ल्स डिकेंस इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग राइटर. नो अदर राइटर इज एज इंटरेस्टिंग. अगेन द सेम superlative to positive. No other writer is as interesting as Charles Dickens. They had to shut down the computers before leaving the office. The computers had to be okay, had to be shut down. अब बाय देम इसमें ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ है, तो यू वेदर यू वांट टू यूज इट यू कैन यूज इट, अदरवाइज यू कैन लीव इट. द कंप्यूटर्स हैड टू बी शट डाउन बिफोर leaving the office. The next one, example, if you this is 2015, if you want to earn well you must work hard. To earn well you must work hard. Then Sachin is an outstanding sportsman and a good artist. Besides being an outstanding sportsman, Sachin, okay, comma will be used here. Sachin is a good artist. फिर next one, mother said to Paul, a courier came for you yesterday. Mother told Paul that a courier came. अच्छा, अब एक चीज़ बहुत ध्यान से याद रखना, अगर यहाँ पर कम होता मीन्स प्रेजेंट टेंस होता, हम उसको पास्ट में कर देते हैं. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट टेंस होता है हम उसको पास्ट टेंस में कर देते हैं. और अगर ऑलरेडी दिस डायरेक्ट स्पीच में अगर ऑलरेडी पास्ट टेंस गिवन है तो हम उसको पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज कर देते हैं. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू रिमेंबर, क्योंकि ऐसे ही आंसर्स जो हैं वो थोड़े से गलत हो जाते, थोड़े से कह सकते हो कि हायर लेवल आंसर्स चले जाते हैं. तो अ कोरियर, नाउ यू कैन सी हियर इट इज़ पास्ट टेंस ऑलरेडी गिवन, तो नाउ इट विल चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. अ कोरियर हैड कम फॉर यू yesterday, it will be changed into the previous day. Okay, the previous day it will be, or the day before. Then as soon as the minister took the oath, the spectators started applauding. No sooner took the oath, this is past tense, no sooner did the minister no sooner did the minister take the oath than the spectators started applauding. ठीक है. Then next one, he is so sure that he cannot be a soldier. So it will be written as he is too short to be a soldier. Then the next one, he is too short to be a soldier. Okay. The lawyer examined the documents with utmost care. The documents were examined. Examined. Were examined by the lawyer with utmost care. I will buy the horse if it is quite sound. मतलब something is there, some product or something is there. I will buy the horse, or the livestock kind of thing is there. So I will buy the horse if it is quite sound, unless the horse, condition is there na, unless the horse is quite sound, comma, I will not buy it. Okay, repeat we will not do. कि horse and horse दो जगह लिख दें, that we will not do. Only Shakespeare could write such a tragedy. No one but Shakespeare. No one but Shakespeare or no one save, हम उसकी जगह पे save word भी use कर सकते हैं. No one but Shakespeare, no one but Shakespeare could write such a tragedy. Rita is a journalist and writer. Not only is Rita. ठीक है. अब याद रखना कि जो भी ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं ये पहले लगते हैं जब भी वी यूज दीज फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब्स लाइक नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो. तो नॉट ओनली इज रीता अ जर्नलिस्ट but also a writer are. ठीक है. The next one, although Lakshmi worked very hard, she failed in the examination. Although Lakshmi worked very hard, she failed in the examination. Notwithstanding Lakshmi's hard work, past tense will be used here. Notwithstanding Lakshmi's hard work. ठीक है. And the abstract noun will be used here. Worked very hard is verb and here the noun form will be used. She failed in the examination. Well, again the same thing कि इतना पढ़ाई करने के बावजूद she failed in the examination. So this is kind of same that despite. No one would deny that he was totally fit before death. अब no one would deny means everyone would agree except, okay, or admit. तीन चीज़ें उसमें दी हुई हैं. Any of these can be written, not all. Everyone would agree that he was totally fit before his death. Then the next one says, okay, example 2014, now the last year. The example says, I lost the book. The book was lost by me. Raju plays both cricket and football. Not only does अब तो आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ सबसे पहले यहाँ पर जो है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ होगा. अभी ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू दिस. ओके, तो इट विल बी रिटन एज नॉट ओनली डज राजू प्ले क्रिकेट बट ऑल्सो फुटबॉल. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन सी कि बहुत ही सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस हैं वो एवरी टाइम इट इज़ रिपीटेड. तो आई होप नाउ योर माइंड विल बी क्लियर कि हाँ ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो दिस इज़ हाउ यू आर सपोज टू डू. शी वॉज टू फुल फॉर अनदर मील. शी वॉज सो फुल दैट शी could not have या have लिख सकते हो या eat लिख सकते हो. eat खाने वाला eat. ठीक है. have another meal. Ranjit said, Sheila, why don't you take the advice of your parents in this matter? Ranjit asked Sheila, why don't will change into did na, so it will be why did not, why she did not take the advice of your parents, her parents, in this matter, in that matter. Then next one, Rahul has been to school for every 2 months. एक मिनट. Rahul has been to school for over 2 months. It has been over 2 months since Rahul went to school. ठीक है. It has been over 2 months. Rahul has not been to school, मतलब कि वो इतने समय से नहीं गया है. तो it has been over 2 months. As soon as he entered the room, he slipped and fell. Hardly did he. Past tense will change into past tense only ना. Hardly did he enter the room, comma, नहीं wait, when he slipped, comma won't be used here, when he slipped and fell. Then next one, candidates may not bring textbooks into the examinations. The candidates are not allowed or permitted to bring textbooks into the examination hall. Although it was a sunny day, it was very cold. Despite the fact that it was a sunny day, comma, it was very cold. ठीक है. तो despite the fact that it was sunny day or despite it being a sunny day, it was very cold. The book I had read earlier was better than this book. The book I had read earlier is better than this book. So it will be written as this book is not as good. Better का first form will be used, मतलब degrees of comparison में first one. Good, better, best. This book is not as good as the book I had read earlier. They said that he had broken the chair. They accused him of having broken the chair. ठीक है. The next one, all the girls have brought their books with them. Each of the girls has brought. Now each के साथ हमेशा singular helping verb is used. ठीक है. Each of the girls has brought her book. Her book or books. Books with them. ठीक है. तो this is all for today. I hope you all have understood. Rest you can mention whatever you wish to study. Keep preparing. Best wishes. Thank you.